Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make cool intro in Capcut PC. So first step you need to do is to open Capcut so you can import any clip as well. So I'm going to create a basic cool intro. I'm going to click on text. I'm going to create for my channel. So here I'm going to write my channel name, that is how to solutions. Okay. Now it is done. You simply need to come on to the effects, and here you can find a lot of effects. So first I'm going to click on nightclub. So here I can see different effects. So first I want to apply this one, shake. So you simply need to apply. So here you can see. So you can apply pulse as well, like this one. Here you can see. And I want to apply one effect more. So here it is, that is flashing frame. So here you can see, you can play around with difference. You can apply neon so it looks more good. And if you want, you can remove anything. So I want to remove this. So here you can see, I want to remove pulse as well. So this intro looks great to me. So you can play around with different effects, with motion, with nature, with spark. So it is up to you how you want to play. But I show you the basic method how you can create. So this is a process that you need to follow to make cool intro in CapCut PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.